Hi everyone. Our team is Maikath, if that's how you pronounce it. And today we're going to do our first startup. And let me show the screen. All right, this is our startup, initial startup. All right, so today's agenda, we have team introductions. So can everyone introduce themselves?
Shall I go first?
Yes.
Yeah, hi guys. My name's Tejita.
All right. Hi guys, I am Mayaz.
My name is Michael.
All right. So, and my name is Kainat. I'm the Scrum Master for today. So let's move on to the roles that we have. The roles for today's agenda, we have Scrum Master me, Data Engineer Tejita and Michael, and Data Visualization team would be Mayaz and myself. So next we have the housekeeping rules. I'll discuss the housekeeping rules. If you don't understand anything, just let me know. I'll make it clear for you guys. All right?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. The housekeeping rules, we have do's and don'ts. First of all, you have to be on time and be prepared for the stand-up. Come prepared, don't miss out on things. And then next, you have to actively participate in the discussions. Don't just sit there and, just listen to everyone. Try to be more involved. And then next, we have display good team spirit and teamwork by executing tasks in a timely manner. Whenever you're given tasks, deal with them properly and engage with everyone and discuss whatever needs to be done. Try not to miss a meeting. If unavoidable, request team for a reschedule. Now this is really important when we do further intermediate startups. Try not to miss out on anything because they're really important. And if you do have to miss out due to an urgent matter, let the group know. We have WhatsApp groups, we have each other's emails. Try to let you know, let the team leader know, let us know that you're going to miss so we can reschedule it according to everyone. And then next, you have to complete the task assigned to you on time and update the team on the progress. So we're going to have a Scrum board. So according to the Scrum board, complete the tasks that are going to be assigned to you. And once you're done with them, try to move them to the working or completed. All right, then next we have the don'ts. So you're supposed to be, don't be unprepared. Don't attend without knowing the knowledge of the agenda, what we're going to do and everything. And don't interrupt when someone is speaking. You can ask for permission, you can ask to speak up, but don't interrupt right in the middle. Give everyone equal chance to talk. And then next, don't use vulgar languages or display unprofessional behavior. This is a serious group project, so we're going to be really professional as much as we can be. All right, then next, move on to our next agenda. We have to discuss the stand-up format. All right, so our stand-up format is, what do you guys think? Like, how many stand-ups should we have?
I mean, in essence, there should be, mainly 3, right? So I guess
So
if you compile enough.
Beginning, intermediate, and final.
Yeah.
We'll have like a beginning and final. Those will be only one, but don't you think in the middle we should have like at least 2 or 3 just to keep each other updated?
I think when it comes to the intermediate, it should be like in 2 parts because I feel that there might be a lot to kind of convey. And I guess it should be like a part 1, part 2 type of situation. So, yeah.
What about the rest?
To add on to that, I think I agree. Then everybody can also get a chance to be the Scrum Master, and we'll have. I'm sure we'll have a lot to discuss in those.
What about you, Michael? Is that okay?
Yes, I completely agree on that.
All right, so then we'll have 2 intermediate stand-up, and then we're going to have one final one. So let's discuss the time frame that we're going to keep them. So initial one, we're aiming for what? How many minutes? Today's stand-up.
Well, around 20 minutes, hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, we'll try to keep it under 20 then. What about the intermediate stand-ups? How long do you think they should be?
I think that one we should keep it to a max of like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Sure.
I have 2 parts anyways, right? So.
Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes sounds okay, right?
Yeah.
All right, then the final one, I think that's supposed to be relatively longer than the rest. So we'll keep it around 20 minutes.
Yeah.
or more?
20,
Yeah.
or plus or minus 5 minutes.
Yeah, plus or minus 5 minutes. There'll be a lot to discuss, so we'll try to, keep it as much as we can. We try not to, keep it small. All right, then we have to, what's next? Oh yeah, do you guys wanna tell us about our journey towards the MS project? Because we went through a lot, so our data
Yeah, we
engineering,
did.
you guys discussed that?
Yeah. Actually, I'm going to share screen.
All right, then I'll stop sharing my screen. Thank you.
Yeah. So can you guys see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So basically, and this section A, we're just going to just going to the introduction of the project. We just make the project plan, and we also revise the project plan, and we do so on. But along the way, there's some difficulties that we faced, and we face various types of difficulties. One of them are the the duration that we need to finish the deadline. So, but we actually managed to solve the problem by just doing the leveling options. We set it to the manual, and it is just fine. And next is gonna be the resource part.
Yeah.
So this is basically the resource part. Yeah.
So, I mean, the one hurdle that we had for the resource part is that whether or not the right tasks are being over allocated or not. So we found a bunch of problems with that, little gaps, the mistakes, and then I kind of did it over again, and just to check whether the predecessors are correct, whether the resources are on the correct tasks, and yeah, I didn't really duplicate anything, to be honest, and so everything is, I redid it again, and yeah, I think after that we kind of figured out our mistakes and we overcame that. So
yeah, I guess probably that's it for section A, and
yeah.
as well as section B. I don't think we have any problems for that, and yeah, we're moving on to section C, which is what we're going to do right now for this discussion.
True.
So could you tell us the start and the finish dates? Approximately how long do you think will take? Like
what do you think is?
Like if we let's go to the top.
Yeah.
Like we are aiming to, like we started around 30th of August, right?
Yeah.
Indeed,
So
yeah.
our whole project, how long do you think it's going to take us?
Our whole project, we are aiming for, I mean, our optimum date is the 15th of, I mean, the 20th of October. So that is the optimal date. So we are aiming to finish it around then, maybe before that. So
that's including all the hurdles that we might face and everything like that.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
provided we don't meet any other hurdles, I think we'll be on track. So
right.
yeah.
Should be by right.
So then, is there anything that you need, like, any doubts that we have? We'll just clear them out as we go on. Do you guys have any doubts right now?
Not at the moment.
No. All right.
Yeah.
So because we've been doing it quite well. Like we fixed whatever mistakes that we were going through. We're
True.
quite on track with everything.
Yes.
Yeah, we communicated quite well when it came to these obstacles. So.
Yeah. Thank you guys for that. All right. So I'll share the Scrum board. Okay. Hold on, give me a minute. Okay. So this is our Scrum board. We have our team name, Team Maikath, and we have all the members over here, Michael, Jaya, Mayaz, and myself. And then this is our backlog. So let's discuss this right now. Plan did a schema. Who Is anyone free to do this? Plan data schema?
Yeah, I think I'll be able to do this. I think I'll be able to do that, as well as loading fat files. I think I can cover those too.
How? Okay, all right, then I'll put this over there.
Sure.
All right. Then I'll just edit this. Do you know where I can just add a comment or something?
I think I can edit it and then put my name beside it, so I feel that would be clearer.
All right, like over here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's
Yeah.
All right, this one's yours. Then this one.
I can probably like work together with Vegeta and plan data schema.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Then I'll put your name in there as well.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, what about the creation of the relationships? How about that? Do you think we could work on it together, Michael? I think that would be easier for everyone.
Yeah. I'm fine with it.
Which one? Create relationships?
Yeah.
But do you guys want to overload yourself with all the tasks? Because this is the one you like. I suggest you guys be done with this first, and then we'll move on to create relationships. Is that okay?
Okay.
Because I think this will
sounds
overload
good.
you guys with all the work.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's true.
Okay, so how long do you think it will take you guys to do this?
Probably maximum in 3 days. Probably we can do it in 3 days. Maximum. Both of them in 3 days. Yeah.
Both of
Both
them.
of them.
All right. Sounds good then. And then Maya, you and I, let's start with this.
Yeah, sure.
Scope requirements. We can share the scope requirements with the users. That won't take long.
Yeah, it shouldn't take too long, I think.
And then mock-up designs. I think you can do the sharing the scope requirements, and then I can go ahead with the
mock-up designs.
Yeah,
that works. That's fine.
I don't think it'll take that long.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Let me edit this. All right. The rest of them will just go through them like along the way.
Yeah, I think we can leave that for the next stand-ups also. Right.
Yeah. So let me just. Okay, I was going to actually create like a separate thing so we could if you guys need anyone's assistance, but I'll just say it verbally because we know each other when we have a group with WhatsApp. So if you guys need anyone's help, just text in the group chat and then we'll do that over there. Like for example, if I'm having trouble with mock-up designs, I'll text one of you guys. And if you're not available, if you're not available, if you're busy with your task, then just let us know beforehand. Then we won't disturb anyone. Also, that's why it's like really important as soon as you're done with your task, move it to completed so we know like if any of the resources are free or not. All right?
Yes, we will update you shortly after we done all the things. Yeah.
Also, I wanted to know, I have this doubt, like create visuals for financial performance. How are we going to do that? Like since I'm from the visualization team,
I think the creation, so this visuals basically involves Power BI. So we'll be working with Power BI to kind of execute this. So in the case that you guys find it hard, you can use us. So we'll probably be done with this in 3 days. So by that time, we can actually all work together to try execute these. So that could be done.
All right then. And you guys know about the create relationship thing also, right? We'll just go through that. Wait 1 second.
Just go through it.
Is it this one?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, then you can discuss right now, like what all do you think, like how this will be done and etc. Okay.
So I guess we'll have to use the documents that have been given on Moodle and work hand in hand with that when it comes to filling out the Power BI document. So through that, we can kind of like finish the data schemes and relationship. So I mean, that's all like 3 tasks, right? So we complete the data schemes. Then what's the second task, by the way?
Then I think for the part C, this ends. It's just this, and then we move on to part B.
Yeah, I believe
So
so.
basically, yeah. So it's kind of planning the data schema and then loading the flat files, which is from Moodle itself, and then creating those relationships with that. And then that'll be it for that segment.
All right. Thank you. What else? Okay. Sounds like it. All right. So we have all the tasks. The tasks are done. Let me just revise the agenda that we have. If we're on track or not. 1 second. Okay, so we're done with discussing standard. We're just done with finding the task and finalizing the discussion. All right, so then let's lastly just get a run through. Is everything clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's
Okay,
so far.
When do you think we should have our next stand-up?
I would say the next stand-up is, so let's give this. So if you kind of compile the days, me and Maikath will take like 3 to 4 days to complete. From data schema to creating relationships, that'll take like 3 to 4 days. And say you guys will take around, so you all will be working hand in hand with us. So say it'll take around 5-6 days tops. And from then,
like I was saying, like try to, I don't mean like rush it through in the sense we make mistakes, but we'll try to do it early because let's see, you guys take 3 to 4 days. And I don't think making designs and sending the requirements to the users will take that long as well. So let's do a time frame of 3 to 4 days. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's. I think we'll work on that. Yeah,
that should be fine.
What about you, Maikath? Is that okay?
Yeah, I think it's fine. 3 to 4 days should be okay. I think if we can't meet it, then we can just extend it to 1 more day or something. Along those lines.
Yeah, that's like a backup plan. Yeah, I feel that's the best thing to do.
That's best. Yeah.
All right, then just let's stay in communication with each other. Like if today, right now, it's 11th of October. So 3 to 4 days will be 14 or 15.
Yeah.
And what about the timing? Do you guys want to keep the same timing as today?
Yeah, I think that's convenient for everyone.
Yeah. Everyone is okay with that?
It works normally. I mean, if anybody has any issues, you can just let each other know on that.
Yeah.
All right, then I guess that's it for today. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you.